time to guess. After giving them enough time to guess the ranking and the meaning, we will show the answer. So this is the ranking of the Nihongo Chin activities during their free time. So as you can see, there are the 10 flashcards are used in this activity. So we will start with girls. After that, we will proceed to the ranking of boys. And let the students analyze the both rankings. And also to compare the activities of the Nihongo Chins, girls and boys, and they will also have the idea of their own activities. Okay? So after this, what do we do? So we will recall the expression onaji, demo, chigao. Okay, this expression. So here we have ichi to sanwa onaji, demo sanwa chigao. So where it was came from. So let's go back to the ranking. According to the ranking, ichi to sanwa onaji, demo sanwa chigao. Okay, so this is the recall of our previous sentence, our expression. After that, this is the giving of inputs. The task of us as a teacher is to give inputs based on the preferences of boys and girls. And we can also ask our students about their realization or reaction based on the ranking of the survey. Ides ka? Okay, so after that activity, another Nihongo practice. So again, we always use the picture panel to master the Nihongo expression because this is very important in the succeeding session. So in this picture panel, we have to ask everyone in a random order to identify what is in the picture, until everyone has to have to answer and master these Nihongo expressions and or activities. Okay, after that, after the Nihongo practice, another activity by pair. So we will ask our student to divide again their Nihongo notes into two. We will write Duyobi and the other one is Nichiyobi. So what will be the activity in this part? So the students are requested to write only their top 3 activities. And the lower part will be used in the next session. Okay? So for Duyobi and for Nichiyobi. Of course, our student will think of different activities they have or they do during Duyobi and Nichiyobi. So, what if our student asks, Sensei, what is the Nihongo of this activity? So, we can answer by saying that the gerund or the verb plus ing or suru for the vocabulary that I haven't learned in Japanese. And also, if they want to introduce or say two sentences or two activities, we can also say to our student to use the sorito to connect the two sentences. So, again, we can introduce the gerund verb or the verb plus ing o suru if the activity haven't learned in Japanese. Cooking o suru or cleaning o suru. And the use of sorito for connecting more than two activities. Example, shopping ni Iku, sorito teribyo meru. Okay? So after the activity, each students will write their 3 top most activities during Doyobi and Nichiyobi. So after that, you will call someone, 3 to 5 students, to share the answer of their seatmate. And the way they will express their answer is in Nihongo. So this is the Nihongo expression that they will use. So, Doyobi ni isasan wa kaimono ni iko. Soreto terebi o meru. Okay, so just call 3 to 5 students to check their activities during Doyobi and Nichiyobi. And that, of course, the end is, after this sharing of activities, is the reflection for session 1. And now, let's proceed to session 2. The highlight of session 2 is interview. So again, what is the materials for session 2? We will use again the picture panel as our springboard for our review for this session. So again, for the vocabulary mastered skills, again, the picture panels. And for additional vocabulary for springboard for our vocabulary building, we have to recall the days of the week of the Japanese, or the days of the week in Japanese. We will use our prepared calendar, or we can just choose the we can just use the calendar in our PPT. So, in Nihongo practice, so because there is a new vocabulary, we will introduce a sample conversation because the highlight is the conversation or the interview. So here, our task is to ask the question, when is your usual Yasumi? And then, based on our activity last session, we have the Doyobi to Nichiyobi. And then, our task to build the vocabulary Doyobi to Nichiyobi desu ne, Shiumatsu. So, the new vocabulary was introduced in this sample question. For the new vocabulary Shiumatsu, we will have the Nihongo practice, and we will explain the interview. We will also have the flow of the how to do the interview. What is the material needed? Again, the picture panel. So, I will use the new vocabulary Shiumatsu ni itsumo nani o suru, and then showing the picture of kaimono ni iku. So, our students will answer to the question of the teacher based on the picture panel, and as 3 picture panel to use as they know the meaning of and practice the Shiumatsu vocabulary. Okay, so the new vocabulary here is Shiumatsu, which means weekend. Hi. Okay, so for the short conversation, Shiumatsu ni itsumo nani o suru, student will answer based on the picture kaimono ni iku. And watashi mo. So our reply could be watashi mo. And these have additional new expression. Kondo isho ni do. Okay, the student will answer un. So the next expression is kondo isho ni do. So we will ask the students or to guess what is the meaning of this expression. What is the meaning of kondo isho ni do? Can you guess? Anyone? Okay, you can unmute or raise hand. Crystal-san, kondo isho ni do? Do you think, what is the meaning do imi desu ka? This is, what is the meaning? Can we do it together. 一緒に do. Or how about doing it together? So the answer is un. So, all right. So this is the two expressions in session 2, shumatsu and the kondo ishuni do. And after that is the practice, Nihongo practice for the conversation. And the reflection after the Nihongo practice of this conversation flow of the new expressions or vocabulary expressions. Okay, so we have here assignment. Okay, so you are tasked to name the members of your family, their age, and how they spent their free time when they were in Koko. Koko wa ego de nani? High school. Okay, so let's now have the session 3. Session 3, the highlight of session 3 is worksheet on how we spend our free time. So what are the materials for session 3? The pictures of Chinese jump rope and hide and seek, and worksheet of how we spend our free time. So this is class discussion. So we don't have a lot of Nihongo expressions, but what we have is experience and asking someone their experience during their shogako and their koko or now. We will use the Venn diagram to compare how we spend our free time and also the assignments that gave you last session. Okay, so minasan wa, what activity is this?
Hide and seek.
Okay,
Hide
hide
and
and seek. Okay, so have you also do this during your shogako?
Hi.
Hi. Hi, watashi mo. Okay, next one. What is the activity, minasan?
Chinese
Chinese
garter.
garter.
Hi. Are you the champion of your group in the Chinese garter?
The
The
mother.
mother.
The mother. Yes, the mother. Okay, so this is um, how we enjoy our free time during our shogako. So after that, showing this picture, I know that some of our students will have a very positive feedback because they will go back in their childhood, also us. So we will have our group work, worksheet, how we spend our free time. So what is the look like of the worksheet? So this is the worksheet of how we spend our free time, things that have changed and things that have not changed. So based on your assignment, we will going to try to share our experience in this answer sheet. I think if we're going to do this on face-to-face classes, do you know the song Dati? Do you know the song Dati? I think it's some Concepcion
Hi.
and
No.
Hi. So I'm when I see this answer sheet, I think we can relate when we play some songs. Well, our students are doing this activity, and it's like storytelling during the sharing of session. Sensei, do they have a breakout for this? Can they have a breakout for this?
Yes,
session?
we have 3 members. Is okay?
Hi,
Each-
Sensei.
Okay. はい。じゃあ、 はい、3 members, 10 groups I made. じゃあ、何分ですか、先生 ?How long is it?
5 minutes, Sensei.
5 minutes. は。
はいい。
はい。では、ちょっと待ってください。
Okay, so please share your answer
Okay.
and someone with the group, I will call randomly for the group to share the experience or the answer sheet in answering the free time. Hi, minasan. Are you all here in our main session? Okay, we're complete. So let's have a 1 minute storytelling based on your answer of what we have discussed or what we have shared in the breakout room. So we'll start at group Ichi. So anyone from the group Ichi to share what have talked about in this worksheet. Dozo. Grupo Ichi.
グループ1、キャウジーさんと、フランズさんとネイラさんのグループです。
Hi. A minute.
Sensei.
Hi. Dozo.
My groupmates, Fransan and Nelasan, we have discussed earlier that the things that we did before are like playing using fake money, like the leaf of the trees, or um this flower called santan. We used to make bracelets out of that. And also we used to play pico, tumbang preso, card games like Yu-Gi-Oh, text, etc. And what have not changed were the things like we still read books now, and we still watch cartoons up to now. And we were doing it before, and until today we are still doing it. That's
Hi.
all, Sensei.
Arigato gozaimasu, Grupo Ichi. Nostalgic desu ne. So, everyone, can you relate on the shared answers of Group Ichi? The paper money or the leaves in form of money. Hi, arigato gozaimasu. Grupo ni, dozo. A minute of sharing or seconds, please. Onegaishimasu.
グループ2はジェロームさんとジョアンさんとアーリンさんです。
Sensei. In our group, Jerome San and Joan San, we talk about the things that we did, and which is quite different as of now. So before, we play Patintero, 10-20, or Chinese garter. But now, the things that we still continue doing is, first, we still watch anime or Terebio Meru, then cell phone, and then we also play with our friends online games for now. That's all, Sensei.
Hi, arigato gozaimasu. So in this, thank you also to other groups who also shared different activities during the breakout session. So in this part, they can use the Nihongo expressions that we master in the picture panels, and also include the English if uh, we haven't studied yet. So okay, arigato gozaimasu for your answer. Maybe if it's during class discussion, it is more, or they can say a lot more in this activity sheet. So after this one, we have again a discussion where we will ask our student what is the reason of these changes and what is the reason why it doesn't change or it remains. Okay, so our student will formulate answers by observing our environment about the technological advancement, and they can also include the influence of social media in this discussion. Especially now, the game is so classic. It was done during the 1980s, but now it's still doing by our student like the Lato Lato game because of the influence of social media, right? Are you aware of the noise? Even though in our neighborhood, everyone is playing the Lato Lato. Okay, so this is introduced or influenced by the social media, most especially the TikTok. Okay, so this is the purpose of the worksheet of how do we spend our free time. And after that, again, the reflection of our activity, the realization on this session. And we have assignment in this part. They have to bring materials in the next session. So for session 4, the highlight of this session is for project making. Okay, so the vocabulary building is very short, and they are familiar with this maybe, and this is gambare, yatta, sugoi, and omedito. So what is the purpose of this vocabulary? This will be the springboard, or this will be used in the next session. Okay, so practice. And for materials, we have the kendama from BB Japan. Kendama making kit, the materials that we asked them to bring from the last session. Okay, from the project making, since I haven't tried this in the class, but we experienced kendama because of our Nihongo partner, Aruto Sensei. So I want to share to you the class, how Aruto Sensei introduced the kendama to our students. Okay? Okay. Shotomatic kudasai. For a moment, minasan. Miimasu ka, minasan? Hai, kikoimasu ka?
Hi,
Hi.
hi, Sensei.
And this is the small dog. Para sa mga hearing yan. Okay na ako po. Sweet. one, please call me, okay? I want the right present. I give right present, so if you can do this one, please call me, okay? Wala na, na-pressure niya siya.
Okay, so that is our kendama during our Nihongo partner, Aruto Sensei. So in this part, if we are in topic 17, we can use the Nihongo expressions like gambare, yatta, because Sensei able to shoot that round thing to the point that it should be. So the other example, so
Ba't ikaw yung nag-move? Go, you have to adjust. Don't let the ball go. It has to be you. Nakita ko talaga yung sa'yo din.
So we noticed that some students are challenged on how to do it. So what the expression can we use here is the gambare, because no one shoot the round thing in that kendama. But
Grabe talaga.
Meeting isa tayo, meeting isa ito. Hindi niya na kaya. Sino ba isa? Sino ba?
all right, so the first winner. So what expression we will use if someone achieved the goal of doing it properly? What
Sugoi.
sugoi, yes, or omedito. Okay, so that's our the
Omedi.
high expression. So we are very thankful that even though we haven't touched the topic 17, the experience of playing kendama has been realized during our class with our Nihongo partner. So in session 5 is the kendama competition. So the two clips is an example of a kendama, but it's not competition. It's just a cultural experience of how kendama works. Okay, so we are lucky that we don't have improvised kendama, but our Nihongo partner borrowed kendama to Japan Foundation, Manila. Okay, so the kendama competition is just the short clips that I showed you a while ago. And the Nihongo review that was mentioned here is the expression that we use for the competition, how we will cheer our friend for a competition, and how will we give expression if he won in the competition. And the last one is the reflection. So in the part 1, in the cultural introduction of Kendama, maybe we will notice that until today, Kendama is still a part of life of the Nihonjins. And I was surprised when I was reading about Kendama that it has really a competition, a national competition in Japan. And for our session 6, the highlight is the reading of kanji. So this is the first time that we have the introduced kanji in our class. So there are 3 or 4 materials, the 7 pictures of days of the week, the 7 kanji flashcards, the worksheet of kanji of the days of the week, and the Nihongo review quiz. So how will we introduce the kanji reading? It's about kanji story. And the Nihongo review quiz is the last part of the topic 17. For the kanji story, we will start in telling that first, there was light, which is the sun, which indicates the day. So we can ask our student again, the theme of topic 17 is guessing the meaning, right? So if there is a sun or day, the contour part is, minasan, nan desu ka?
Moon.
Moon, hi, moon or night. Long time ago at night, it is very dark. The moon is not enough to brighten up the earth. We discovered what we discovered to light up the earth during the night.
Moon.
Fire.
Yeah, hi,
Ah,
fire.
Fire.
Right. So, but there is a danger of too much fire. We might caught up in a forest fire. What do we need to stop the fire?
Water.
Hi,
Water.
water. Water brings life. Life like animals and
Peace.
hi, trees. Hi, the trees. So people brought about the civilization because we have now the cultivation of plants and trees. With the development of civilization comes the need to trade goods or merchandise, usually by using, because there's no money or bank before, hi, we have the gold. A long time ago, because there were no banks, how did people keep their gold safe? How did people keep the gold safe?
Cave.
Cave or underneath the earth. Okay, under the earth, people buried their gold and put a landmark like a pran and the end that would not forget where they buried. Okay, so this is the example of kanji story. So, minasan, do you have any idea what is the story about? Hi,
Days of the week.
the week. So this will be the story of the kanji will be our springboard to introduce the days of the week in
Nihon.
kanji. Yes, in Nihon. And after this is the flashcard that we need to prepare. So again, let our student guess what is the meaning of this kanji. Okay, it should be in English, in Ego. Okay, so it's my mistake here for using the Nihongo. So after this, we will discuss about this character. Okay, so why we have to discuss this character? Because there are two characters in the beginning and in the end. So the first meaning is Nichi and the second is B. So in kanji, in picture association, they have the same characters, but in reading, they may be different. Okay? And then afterwards, let's practice by picture association of what we have learned in the kanji story to its Japanese or Nihongo characters or Nihongo kanji characters. Okay? So let them guess where it should be. And after that, another activity for this matching point, before we proceed to the entire activity sheet with the picture, the kanji, and the hiragana and its translation. So let's use it one by one or little by little. And the last part, before the last part is the Nihongo Review Quiz and the reflection, of course, for the session 6. So what have they learned during this session and what have they realized learning the kanji for the first time? So that ends the topic 17. Minasan, ijo desu. Arigatou gozaimasu.
ありがとうございました、石田先生。So, if it's face to face, we were planning to have making kendama by paper cup and with some strings. But yes, unfortunately, we cannot have this making session today. And so maybe if it's time, we have time at the last day of after the social event, we would like to make a kendama, and in the classroom, maybe tomorrow when you come to the our classroom, you can play kendama. We prepare for you a few kendamas there. So please try to play kendama. はい。では、そうです。そうだ。質問ありますか？ Do you have any questions? 大丈夫ですか？はい。じゃあ、今、そうですね。もう、ここで一回、ちょっとa little earlier, but we'd like to finish this session. 大丈夫ですか？ Okay. And so please leave, please stay Ajisai class teachers, and Sakura teachers will leave this room, please. よろしくお願いします。はい。では、伊佐先生、ありがとうございました。あ、ちょっと待ってくださいね。もう already you left. すみません。写真を忘れた。I forgot to take a photo. はい。大丈夫かな？皆さんいません？はい。じゃあ行きますよ。行きます。はい。1、2、3。1、2、3。もう一度。1、2、3。はい。お疲れ様でした。はい。伊佐先生、ありがとうございました。
いえいえ。